Oh yeah.
Man, doesn't this look amazing? Oh yeah.
You're not gonna want to miss this one.
We're cooking prime rib. So today we are going to do about a 13-pound prime rib on the 380, the bullseye, okay, the new stainless steel. It's got the PID controller. What we're going to do is make an herb paste for this. So we've got some fresh thyme, some rosemary. Stevie's going to rough chop that. We got it out of our recteq garden up here. We're going to make this paste out of some olive oil, some fresh thyme, some fresh rosemary, some nice garlic paste that we tend to use around here. We're going to put some beef base and some garlic base in there to make this cool paste. Lather that up. Then we're going to make a beef. Lather it up. It's a chef term. It's called. It's from. It's French.
French.
Yeah.
French.
Yeah. And so we're going to lather it, and then we're going to take a pan in this bullseye. I want to show you a neat trick. We're actually going to make some au jus while we're smoking this thing. I think we're going to do it 275, right?
275 sounds good to me, yeah.
So we're going to take these knuckles, we're going to cut these off while he's making that. And what we're going to do for this au jus, I'm going to take these. This is a boneless prime rib. And I'm going to put these in this au jus pan. Those will render down while we're cooking and just add some more beefy flavor to the au jus that I'm going to make. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that here in a second. So he's going to put about a quarter cup of rosemary, quarter cup of thyme. He put about 5 tablespoons of the Greek dressing. He's going to put a little more than that. Olive oil. He's going to put about half a cup of olive oil. I'm going to help him because Steve's not good at measuring like I am.
That's perfect. You want it to be
A little bit
not
more.
a soup.
Well, because you're about to add beef base.
Oh my.
Forgot about that.
Goodness.
1 tablespoon beef base, one tablespoon of garlic.
Roasted garlic.
So I'm going to make the au jus in this pan with some beef base. I'll show you that at the recteq. So we got some roasted garlic base here. 1 tablespoon of that. 1 tablespoon of beef base. And then we're going to get this thing rubbed down, and we'll show you that here in a second. All right, so we're going to put this on, and guys, if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel. We're going to make more content like this. Hey, and ring the bell to stay notified, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Man, that is looking right. Now, what this is going to do is make a real nice little crust and color on this. What I like to do is right when he's done is I'm going to come back over top of it with a little bit of our competition Casanova rub. It's got a little bit of sugar in there, and what that does is it caramelizes nice too. So I'm going to hit it in the top with the Casanova rub, and then we'll see you at the recteq. Okay, we're about to put this on the bullseye. We started off with a cold bullseye intentionally. We hadn't even lit it yet. I've got those knuckles that we took off. We're going to put 2 32-ounce containers of beef broth in here. We're going to keep this really loose to start.
Loose.
At the very end, we're going to thicken it up. Okay, we don't need to worry about it during the cook. You know what I mean?
Can we go with tighten up? That's another chef word, isn't it? So
Well,
tighten it up a little bit.
Sure.
Let's go with that.
After we lather that up, we'll tighten
Lather
this up.
that. And I think lather is more like a horse term instead of French. Don't horses lather?
I don't know, man. I've never had a horse. All right, here we go. So we're going to take this grate off. And Stevie, if you'll take that for me. And we're going to put this right under there, right on the deflector shield. Okay. We're going to crank this guy up to 275. And Stevie's going to put the prime rib on over this. Now he's going to take that meat probe and he's going to put it in there in the thickest part, right in the middle. We're shooting for about 130 degrees. And we're going to pull it at 130 and let it rest. When we're letting it rest, we're going to thicken up that au jus. So we're just going to let this roll at 275. It should take about 3 hours. We'll see you right there. Okay, I thank you, Chef John, for the assist. That was beautiful. I was in a little meeting. So it wouldn't be a Ray Carnes
I was
recipe.
about to say, without some au jus
You
gravy.
gotta have some au jus packets,
We
man.
haven't had no smoked paprika today either. None. No smoked paprika.
Uh-oh.
Do we have any?
Yeah, we need some
We
smoked
need to get some
paprika.
smoked paprika.
All right, so what we did is we took that au jus pan that we had under this. It was catching all those juices. I put this fat side down, so as that fat rendered, it went in that au jus. We put those knuckles in there. Where Stevie's gonna find those knuckles and pull them out. They're gonna,
Why Stevie got to find the
well,
knuckles?
you know, it was your idea.
Not
And what
my
we're gonna
idea.
do is take these 2 packets. We're gonna whisk them in there. We turn the bullseye up to 325 degrees rather. That was hot, man.
Oh, sorry, guy.
Man, ain't funny. All right. We turned it up to 325. We're gonna whisk these in. We're gonna let that thicken up while this bad boy rests for about 15 minutes. Slice it up. Now you got some nice au jus. Cool thing about this, if you have any leftovers, you can slice those leftovers up thin, put them in the pan of au jus, put it in the fridge. The next day, you take that and you heat that up on the grill and you make some French dip sandwiches with the au jus with some provolone cheese. Excellent. All right, so let's get these in. Here's the whisk.
Oh,
It's not gonna lump up at all.
got a way to ease it in.
Now this is the way Chef Greg prefers doing it.
Yeah, exactly how he does it.
Just dump it right in there.
No cold water. No
slurry.
No slurry. Let's just
Just do it up, man.
Chef Greg.
So you're gonna let that reduce till it just gets a little, you know, thickness on it there. A little body thickness. Like almost like a lather, if you will.
Lather it up.
All right, let that go at 325 till it thickens up. Man, how gorgeous is that thing,
That's
man?
beautiful.
Hey, man, you
Beautiful.
grab me a napkin real quick?
It's kind of fishy. Don't do it. Don't do it. Really? Come on. Smoked paprika.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
it's complete now. It completes me.
What the?
All right, so we're back. What we're gonna do is take some of this smoked kosher salt, man. How you do this is you just take kosher salt. Let's start
salt?
over. Kosher. We can keep it rolling.
Leave it.
All right, we're gonna take kosher salt. You put it on a sheet pan. You put it on the recteq. Just set the recteq on low. Go several hours. Smoke it all day. Kind of shake it around every so often. We're gonna hit it a little bit with that. At the end, just another little layer of flavor.
One more layer. Right
One
over
more
the
layer
paprika.
of well, the paprika, that set it off, man. Set
Takes
it off.
to a whole new level.
We got the au jus. Now, if you want, you could strain this. It's got little bits of goodness in there, but that's what I call them goodness. So I don't strain it. But you could put a fat separator on there if you wanted. They sell them on Amazon where it pours from the bottom because there's a little layer of fat. But
the
Stevie
good
needs
part.
to gain some weight, so we're going to leave it on there. Let's see
touch.
what this looks like. Let's take a look. Oh, baby, what is going on? All right, let's check this out. We're gonna just do a little board test here. Cut a little steak, and Stevie are gonna taste test just to make sure that it's edible before we
Come on,
serve
big
this
guy.
up to the crew, man.
Pork tender. Oh.
Oh, he just cut it with a fork.
Oh.
Au jus. Ooh, get some of that board sauce too.
Do it right.
That's a home run right there. That melts in your mouth.
That's good. That's outstanding.
Unbelievable, beautiful crust, easy to do. You made some au jus. Like I said, you got a recipe for the next day if you wanted to do leftovers to make a French dip sandwich. We're about to feed these guys. They're looking hungry behind the camera. Thanks for watching. Thanks for cooking with me today, and we'll see you at the recteq.